Good evening, students. Welcome to the class. We are here today to learn the chapter 8, that is functions in Excel. Okay. Now, so you are going to learn how can you use the formulas and functions in Excel. Yes. So for that purpose, I have taken some raw data. So basically, these are marks obtained by a few students. Okay, in physics, chemistry, maths, English, and computer. Now, can you see this fx? This is known as a formula bar. Okay, here is where you're supposed to type the formula. Now, suppose you want to know what is the total sum of marks obtained by the student Ritu. So what are you going to do? You're going to just type equal to sum, press tab, select the range. Okay, so I'm selecting this range. So it is selecting from B3, you can see B3 to F3. That is my range, that's where is to. Now just close the bracket and press enter. So it has calculated the sum of marks obtained by Ritu. Now I just need to bring down this handle and the marks obtained by all other students are automatically populated in this column, right? So this is the main functionality or the utility of the Excel. Okay, now suppose you want to know if the students have earned centum in any subject or not. So I'm just going to check whether there is a number which is greater than 99, that is greater than 100. And if the sum is 200, then he or she has obtained 100 in two subjects. So from that, I'll get a conclusion that in how many subjects each of these students have obtained 100 marks. So sum if is sum with the if condition. That's why it is sum if. So what you need to do is type equal to sum if, press tab, select the range. Okay, range of numbers where I will be applying the condition. Okay, so this is the range, then press comma. It is asking for the criteria. Put it within the double quotes that it should be greater than 99, and then comma the sum range where I wanted to calculate the sum. So that will be till here, and then I'll be closing it. Okay, then I'll be pressing enter. And yes, now I understand that Ditu has obtained 100 in one subject. Now I'll just drag the handle, bring it down, and I can see that there is a student named Sid who has obtained in two subjects, and there are many students who haven't obtained 100 in any of the subjects, right? Now, if I want to understand what is the average marks they have, so what you have to do, you just write AVG, you will have all the formulas, bring the down arrow, then press the tab, select again the range. Okay, I'm selecting the range, close the bracket. Okay, and press enter, then again bring it down so that you will obtain the average marks obtained by each of the student. Now you want to see what is the max marks each of these students has obtained. So tab, select the range out of which you want to know what is the maximum marks, press enter. In the same way, if you want to know what is the minimum marks they have obtained, type min, press tab, select the range, close the tab and press enter, and bring down the handle to apply the changes to all the students. So can you see, students, how simple it has become the calculations? So you need not manually do anything. Okay, so this is how we manipulate the data. We analyze the data using the formulas. Okay, now we can show this data picture in pictures, okay, in charts. Okay, that gives us a more clear idea of what is happening, not basically in the case of marks, but think about the companies where they need to analyze the profit over the quarters, the revenue collected over generated over the quarters, and things become very easy to understand when it is done pictorially using the charts. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you. So I have pasted the raw data. I'm going to show you how to make a simple chart. So first what you have to do is you have to select the data, go to insert. You can see here different varieties of charts are there: pie charts, XY scatter charts, line charts, okay, area charts, what we call the combo charts. So what we are going to learn, what is there in our syllabus, is a 2D column chart. See. Now you can move this chart in the middle by dragging it like this. Okay, now you can make it bigger. You can even copy it to another sheet, another application like Word or Microsoft PowerPoint. You can paste it. Okay, now suppose you want to edit this chart title, how you are going to do it? So they, once you make a chart and you select it, you will see that a new ribbon has appeared or a new tab has appeared, that is a chart design. And here you can find this element, add chart element. So here you can add anything out of here. So I go to the chart title and I want it above the chart. Okay, so what is this? This is basically the results of the student. So I'm going to type results of the students, right? Now what is the next I need someone. I want to rename the access titles. Okay, I'll again go there and add access titles. Okay, so I'll be adding the first vertical one. So I know that these vertical ones are nothing but marks obtained, so I'm going to delete this and type in marks. Okay, now I want a horizontal one, right? I want a horizontal access title as well. So what I can go here, here I'll select the access title and the horizontal one, and I'm going to write it as students basically. So like this you can add various other chart elements. For example, you can add the grid lines. Okay, that will help you to analyze the data quicker. You can add the legends are these things, physics, chemistry, what does these bars signifies, right? You have to define those things. Sometimes it will be automatically appearing, and sometimes you want it to be changed to the left position or to the right position, that you can do it. Now then you can basically data labels, if you want the data label numbers to appear, that also you can do it. So this is how you can create charts very quickly using the Excel. Okay, so hope things are very clear right now. And if you have any doubts, you can drop in your comments in the comment box, and I'll get back as quickly as possible. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.